They're so incredibly delicious. Of course, there's no poison in them. So the poison in the beans is the adobo sauce from the asado de puerco and the lard too. I have a pound of pinto beans that I cooked with 14 cups of water. I have measured it to the bone. 14 cups of water, like half of a white onion, and then you cook that for like an hour and a half until the beans are so tender, and then you add a tablespoon of salt, and you have these. These are frijoles de olla. Remove the onion that cooked with the beans, and then add the pinto beans right into the blender. I'm just gonna pour it all. Here we go. You can puree your refried beans. See, I want them with a little texture. I like them a little bit chunky. And this is the poison for the poison beans. We're gonna fry these refrieds with the fat from the asado de puerco. So now you can see why they're called poison beans. If you don't have enough fat in your asado de puerco, your pork didn't have enough fat, you can of course go to direct lard, or you can also use any kind of oil that you like. Once asado fat is really nice and hot, I'm gonna add the pureed beans. And now they're starting to get seasoned with the fat. Oh, this is perfect. See, Mila knows. This is like the happiest moment in the kitchen when everything is starting. Mila, she knows. See? And now we're gonna season the beans with the adobo. So I'm adding about a half a cup of the asado de puerco sauce right into the bean. So I have this friend that says that refried beans are ready when they can practically walk themselves out of the pan because they're so thick. This is so perfect. You guys, this is perfect. This is the moment. This is the moment. And you see how it's huffing and puffing and smoking? Okay, so it's ready. Yum.